Welcome to All-in-One Idea Exchange. Today I'll show you how to make e-certificates for kids for various virtual competitions. You can come to this page and the link is shared in my description box. You can check it out. Once you are in the page, you can just go to the Make a Banner and log in through your Google account or through Facebook. The first time you log in, you get a page like this. You need to go to the designer, then come to make a design. Here you get a number of templates, but since we are opting for certificate making, we shall go for the certificate template. Here it is. So here is the designer page where you can opt for any kind of templates. Since we are going to make a child friendly certificate for the virtual competitions, we shall go with something funky. So here you go. This is the template that I have selected. You can make all the changes that you require. I will just change it to Certificate of Excellence. You can change the font to something which is more funky and child friendly. You can also change the color. You can change the description as per your requirement. If you are making for some reading competition, if you are making for some rhymes competition, you can change the name of the class teacher, head teacher or principal. You can also add your digital signature over here. I have shown you how to add the digital signature in my previous video. You can go check that. If you are not happy with this images here, you can change them to something else. You can change the background of the certificate. Once you're happy with your design, you can download them as PNG. Here you go. Your e-certificate is ready. You can make it for as many participants as you wish. You need to just change the names every time. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.